Good morning, students, and Jai Hind. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy. In last class, we covered the change in profit share ratio according to new profit share ratio and when we calculating the sacrificing ratio. So, chapter 5 admission of a partner, and the topic is change in profit sharing ratio. I have written many of the questions related to this topic which I am going to solve today class. So, you should learn each and every concept because there are different concepts are given in the question. According to that, we have to follow the rules, so by which we can solve the new profit share ratio or sacrificing ratio or gaining ratio, whatever they are asking in a question. So the question is, find a new profit sharing ratio. Is it not compulsory to in every part only new profit share ratio we have to calculate? Some of the questions new profit share ratio is already given, and in some of them we have need to calculate the sacrificing or gaining ratio also. Okay, so let's be starting with the first question or the first part. So the first question is, R and T are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They have given the old profit share ratio 3:2. S joins the firm. R surrender 1 upon 4th of his share. R surrender 1 upon 4th of his share. अपने हिस्से का 1/4 सरेंडर करता है टूवर्ड एस. T 1/5 of his share in favor of S. और T अपने हिस्से का 1/5 भाग S को देने के लिए एग्री हो जाता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल old ratio is given in this question. Old ratio, what is it? R के लिए old ratio क्या है? 3/5 and toward T it is 2/5. Okay, and first we calculate the sacrifice ratio because the information is there. They are surrendering. If they are surrendering of his share, so then we can calculate the sacrifice ratio. So R sacrificing, R surrender 1/4 of his share. Of his share मतलब 3/5. It means 1/4 multiply 3/5. अपने हिस्से का जो इसका अपना पार्ट है उसका 1/4 ये सेक्रीफाइस करता है. सो देन if we multiplying, so 3/20, and similarly T sacrifice 1/5 of his share. So 1/5 multiply of his share 2/5. So that is 2/25. So now here we need to do the denominator equal. So denominator equal, we have to take the LCM of both the term. If we taking the LCM of both the terms, so that will be equal to 100. So then if we have to do the 100 equal, so multiply 5 by 5, 15/100 is equal to 4/4, because the denominator should be equal to 100, so that's why I multiply by 5 as a numerator and the denominator, and similarly 4 as a numerator and denominator in the T share. So it is 4 2 ja 8 and 100. Now the denominator is same. Okay, so that's what we have done to do the denominator same in both the partners. So now new ratio. So new ratio of all partner are, we have to calculate the new ratio. So new ratio is calculated is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Okay, old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So our old ratio is 3/5 and sacrifice is 15/100. So 15/100, LCM will be 100, and if we dividing by 5, that is 20. 20 multiply 360 minus 15 is equal to 45/100. And toward T, new ratio will be, so old, that is 2/5 minus sacrifice 8/100, and is equal to, denominator will be equal to 100, and the LCM 100, so divide by 5, 20, 22, 40, and minus 8 is equal to 32/100. Now one thing is left, S ratio. So what will be the S ratio? So what is the ratio is sacrificed by R and T, so that ratio will get by S. S वही तो ratio receive करेगा. So we should add R sacrifice plus T sacrifice. So that will be equal to S ratio. So 100 plus 15 plus 8, that is equal to 23/100. Okay, so now the new profit share ratio among the partners, 45/100, 32/100, and 23/100. So we can write in this form, 45 ratio 32 ratio 23. It will be the new profit share ratio among the partners. Have you seen? There is no ratio is given related to S. What the ratio is acquired by S. So this information is not given in this question. But according to the sacrifice of all partners, we can calculate the incoming partner ratio. Okay. So now the second. There is second question. A and B are partners. They admit C for 1/4 share. A and B partners are there. उनका प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो गिवन नहीं है यहाँ पर. दे एडमिट सी फॉर 1/4 शेयर इन द फ्यूचर. सी जो है 1/4 शेयर लेगा फ्यूचर में. द रेशियो बिटवीन ए एंड बी वुड बी 2:1. तो यहाँ पर फ्यूचर रेशियो दिया हुआ है ए और बी का, वो 2:1 होगा. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे क्या कर लें, हम फर्म का रेशियो रख लें. लेट द फर्म शेयर और रेशियो बी इक्वल टू 1. जितने भी पार्टनर्स हैं उन पार्टनर का रेशियो का टोटल करते हैं तो हमेशा 1 के इक्वल आता है, क्योंकि वो फर्म का रेशियो होता है. फर्म ही उनको डिवाइड करती है पार्टनर्स को, कितना कितना उनको डिवाइड करना है. फर्म का रेशियो अगर 1 है तो फर्म यहाँ से सी का शेयर निकाल के जो बाकी का रेशियो बचेगा वो ए और बी का बचेगा. सो रिमेनिंग शेयर ऑफ A and B after C's share, so is equal to 1 minus 1/4. C 1/4 के लिए फर्म के अंदर आया. So 4 LCM 4 minus 1, that is 3/4 will be the, this is the ratio for remaining ratio of A and B. ए और बी का रिमेनिंग रेशियो है, तो यहाँ पर न्यू रेशियो वी कैन कैलकुलेट. न्यू रेशियो विल बी टुवर्ड ए 3/4 का क्या रेशियो रखेंगे, इनटू रेशियो 1. सो इट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2/3 एंड टुवर्ड बी इज इक्वल टू 3/4 मल्टीप्लाई 1/3. इज इट क्लियर? जितना रेशियो बचा इन दोनों पार्टनर्स का, ए और बी का, 2/3 रेशियो इज देयर ऑफ A and B, and this ratio will divide in 2:1. So it will be equal to 6/12 is equal to 3/12. And now C's ratio is 1/4, is come for 1/4. So now we have to do the denominator equal, so multiply by 3/3 is equal to 3/12. So new ratio will be A ratio B ratio C is equal to 6:3:3, और मिनिमम फ्रैक्शन में हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 3 से डिवाइड कर लें, 3 2 जा, 3 1 जा एंड 3 1 जा। ये इनका न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो होगा। इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन इज in both the questions there are different situations. Okay, so now the third part, what is there in the third part? In third part, A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. It means this is the old profit share ratio. First we have to write old ratio is given of A and B. So A and B. What is the old profit share ratio? 3:2. So it means 3/5, 3/5 and 2/5. Is it clear? Now ratio 3:2. They admit C for 1/5 share in the profit. C is admitted for 1/5 shares. C acquire 1/5 ऑफ हिज शेयर. इसका जो 1/5 शेयर है उसका 1/5 भाग. ओके, द सेड ऑफ हिज शेयर. इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन है, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. ऑफ हिज शेयर फ्रॉम ए. 1/5 का 1/5 पार्ट ए से लेता है एंड 4/5 शेयर फ्रॉम बी, और 1/5 का 4/5 बी से लेता है. तो इट मीन्स वी कैन कैलकुलेट द सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो फर्स्ट. सो sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio of A and B. So A का sacrifice 1/5, C का जो 1/5 था उसका 1/5 भाग ये sacrifice करता है, क्योंकि C इतना पार्ट ले रहा है इसे, और B से 1/5 का 4/5 पार्ट ये ले रहा है. ओके, सो 1/5 का 1/5 ए से ले रहा है, 1/5 का 4/5 बी से ले रहा है. तो ये सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो आ जाएगा इनका 1/25 एंड 4/25. नाउ न्यू रेशियो, क्या होगा? इज इक्वल टू ओल्ड माइनस सैक्रिफाइस. ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो. अगर हम यहाँ पर ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो करते हैं तो यहाँ पर ओल्ड रेशियो ए के लिए क्या होगा? ए का ओल्ड रेशियो 3/5. सो 3/5 माइनस 1/25 इज इक्वल टू 25. एलसीएम होगा 5 3 जा 15 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 14/25. And toward B, old ratio 2/5 minus 4/25. 25 LCM, and now 5 2 जा 10 minus 4 is equal to 6/25. And towards C 1/5 रेशियो के लिए आया है, डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल करेंगे, सो 5/5 is equal to 5/25. So new ratio A ratio B ratio C is equal to 14:6:5. Is it clear? So this will be the new profit share ratio of A, B and C. Is it clear? So if you have any doubt related to these concept, so then you can ask. Okay, but these concepts should be clear. Three parts already we have covered. Now the next one is fourth part. Third part we have covered. First, second and third already we have covered. Fourth part. X, Y and Z are partners in the ratio of 3:2:1. It means old ratio is given. So now first we have to write the old ratio. So in fourth part, old ratio. X, Y and Z. 3:2:1. So it means 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. This is the old profit share ratio. Next one. W joins the firm as a new partner for 1/6 share in the profits. W फर्म को ज्वाइन करता है 1/6 पार्ट के लिए, 1/6 शेयर के लिए. Z वुड रिटेन हिज ओरिजिनल शेयर. जो Z का शेयर है वो अपना ओरिजिनल शेयर ही रखना चाहता है. तो ओरिजिनल शेयर Z का कितना है 1/6, तो ये अपना शेयर 1/6 ही रखेगा. तो इट मीन्स अगर W को जो शेयर मिलने वाला, जो प्रॉफिट मिलने वाला, जो वो 1/6 शेयर के लिए आया है फर्म के अंदर, सो ये 1/6 शेयर केवल X और Y से लेगा, जो कि 3:2 के 3:2 में ये इन दोनों से एक्वायर करेगा. अपने शेयर का 3:2 एक्वायर करेगा W फ्रॉम X एंड Y. ओके, एंड Z विल बी ऑन ओरिजिनल शेयर. So now first we have need to calculate the sacrifice ratio. So if we calculating the sacrifice ratio, so sacrifice are doing by only two partners. Two partners means X or Y. Z say I will not surrender any amount and I will not give any amount for any share to the incoming partner. So then X will sacrifice 1/6 of W by 3/5. Why 3/5? Because 3:2 they are sacrificing, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. That's why the 5 I have taken is equal to 3/30, and Y 1/6 multiplied 2/5. क्योंकि Z को हमने यहाँ से रिमूव कर दिया है. ओल्ड रेशियो इनका 3/6 है, 2/6 और 1/6 है. बट जो W फर्म के अंदर आएगा उसको 3:2 में अगर वो इसको रेशियो देंगे तो इन दोनों का टोटल 3:2. सो दैट्स वाई 3/5 और 2/5. केवल यही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है जिसको हमें इसमें लर्न करना है या याद रखना है. 2/30. Now new ratio. New ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. Old minus sacrifice toward X. Old ratio for X 3/6 minus sacrifice 3/30. 30 LCM 6, 5, 5, 3 is 15 minus 3 is equal to 12/30. Toward Y, old ratio 2/6 minus 2/30. 30 will be LCM, and 5 to the 10 minus 2 is equal to 8/30, and Z will remain in his original share, that is 1/6. So 1/6 multiply 30 हमें डिनोमीटर इक्वल करना, so multiply by 5 as a numerator or 5 as a denominator. So it is 5/30, and W is getting 1/6. Okay, A joint form for 1 upon 6 here. So now the equal denominator should be there, so multiply 5 by 5, that is 5 upon 30. So new profit share ratio will be X ratio Y ratio Z ratio W is equal to 12 ratio 8 ratio 5 ratio 5. Okay, any problem is there? If you have, then you can ask anytime. So now the fourth part already we have covered. Next one is fifth part. Now students, see the fifth part of this question. A and B are equal partners. A and B are equal partners. They admit C and D as partners with 1 upon 5th and 1 upon 6 share respectively. No sacrifice is given, no any information is there what the amount they will sacrifice and what the new profit share ratio will be there. Only old ratio is given and the incoming partners ratio is also given. So fifth part, first old ratio for A and B. Toward A, what will be equal? Means 1 upon 2 and B 1 upon 2. So half of ratio they are sharing. That's why 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So now they say they admit C and D as partner with 1 upon 5th and 1 upon 6 share. So we should let the firm ratio. So let the firm ratio be equal to 1. अगर फर्म का रेशियो 1 है तो then we should subtract the ratio of C and D from the firm ratio, and total of these that will be the C and D ratio. So C plus D is equal to 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 6 is equal to 30. 6 plus 5, that is 11 upon 30 will be the ratio of C plus D. मीन्स दोनों का कंबाइंड रेशियो ये है. अब हमें फॉर्म के रेशियो से इन दोनों का रेशियो माइनस कर लेना चाहिए. देन वी विल गेट द रिमेनिंग शेयर ऑफ A and B. सो नाउ रिमेनिंग शेयर ऑफ A and B after C and D share. ओके, C और D के शेयर के बाद इनका रेशियो क्या होगा A और B का. सो 1 माइनस 11 अपॉन 30, फिर टोटल LCM. सो 30 माइनस 11 is equal to 19 upon 30. Okay, this is the combined ratio of A and B, and in which ratio they are sacrificing, no information is given. So it means 19 upon 30 रेशियो जो है ये रेशियो डिवाइड होगा पार्टनर के बीच में इन देयर ओल्ड रेशियो. सो न्यू रेशियो वी शुड कैलकुलेट. न्यू रेशियो, so new ratio will be toward A. A will distribute 19 upon 30 into 1 upon 2 is equal to 19 upon 60. B 19 upon 30 multiply 1 upon 2 is equal to again 19 upon 60, and C join the firm for 1 upon 5. C join from 1 upon 5 ratio, 1 upon 5. Now the denominator should be equal 60, so 12 upon 12 is equal to 12 upon 60. And now for D, he joined from for 1 upon 6 here, so 1 upon 6, and denominator should be equal, so we should multiply 10 by 10, so is equal to 10 by 60. Okay, so new ratio, A ratio, B ratio, C ratio, D is equal to 19 ratio 19 ratios 12 ratio 10. This will be the new profit share ratio. If we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio, then we can calculate by sacrifice is equal to old minus new ratio. Okay, so last part is still left. So I think you have understand the concept of this topic. Now the last part is A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. C is admitted for 1 upon 4 share. A and B decide to share equal in future. Okay, old ratio we have received, C admitted 1 upon 4. In future, what will be the ratio? They will share in equal ratio. So now sixth part, first old ratio. What is the old ratio? Is there? The old ratio is 3:2. This one 3:2. C admitted for 1 upon 4th, and AB will be equal in future. So old ratio A 3 upon 5 and B 2 upon 5. So again let the firm रेशियो बी इक्वल टू 1, फॉर्म का रेशियो 1 हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर फिर दोबारा से रिमेनिंग शेयर निकालेंगे. रिमेनिंग शेयर ऑफ ए एंड बी आफ्टर सी शेयर, सी के शेयर के बाद. तो फॉर्म का रेशियो 1 है. 1 से 1 अपॉन 4 के लिए सी फॉर्म के अंदर एडमिट हुआ है. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 4. And now this ratio will be distributed by A and B in equal ratio. So new ratio will be toward A. So 3 upon 4 will distribute by equally, means 1 upon 2, and B is also 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. जो रेशियो बचेगा C के बाद उसको वो इक्वल रेशियो में बांटने वाले हैं. तो इक्वल क्या होगा? 1 upon 2 और 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 4 to the 8, 3 upon 8, and C comes for 1 upon 4 share. Denominator should be equal, so 2 upon 2 multiply, so 2 upon 8. So new profit share ratio will be A ratio B ratio C is equal to 3:2. Okay, so all these ratios are we have calculated, they ask the new profit share ratio. The new profit share ratio for all the parts we covered and learned in different situation, and 1 marks question and 3 marks question always comes from to calculate the profit sharing ratio. हमेशा आता है 3 मार्क्स में और 1 मार्क्स में एक एक क्वेश्चन ज़रूर आता है रेशियो कैलकुलेट करने के लिए. सो स्टूडेंट बी केयरफुल एंड do practice related to the ratios question. So thank you for today. If you have any query, then you can ask. Thank you.